Hello friends, in today's video, I am going to show you the correct way of propagating a rubber tree. Rubber plants, also known as Ficus Elastica, are well loved for their large glossy leaves. They hail from South Asia, where they can grow into tall trees. The rubber plant is pretty to look at and is also very low maintenance. You can easily multiply your rubber tree or give some of these tiny green gems away. Survey your plant to identify where it could benefit from some pruning. Look for uneven spots or areas where you like fuller growth. Leggy, elongated stems or branches also make great cutting options. Ensure the plant is well hydrated before starting the propagation process. This will encourage new leaves and help the plant thrive when exposed to more light. With the help of knife or pruning shears, make a swift, straight cut directly just above a node or 1 inch below a node. When cutting the rubber plant, a white milky sap will seep out of the cut. Dab this with a damp cloth. Make sure you have enough length that the newly propagated plant looks good when potted in soil or water. Once cut, remove any leaves towards the bottom of the stem. When it comes to the soil mixture for a rubber plant, it's best to go for a well-draining and nutrient-rich mix. A good option is to use a combination of peat moss, perlite, and a bit of regular potting mix. This is the ideal soil mixture for the rubber tree plant, as it remains moist without turning soggy. Now, I'm gonna add some water before inserting a cutting into the soil. Plant a cutting in a pot that is suitable for its size. Put the pot in a warm, sunny location. Humid environment help rubber plants sprout roots, so avoid allowing the soil to dry out. Now, this is the easiest part. Simply find a clear vase or even an old spaghetti jar. Clear vases seems to do better for me as the light can penetrate easier. Fill it with room temperature water and place your cut stem into the water. Put on a shelf in a sunny spot and forget. Seriously, the best part about water propagation is they require no maintenance. Check the water levels occasionally and refill as needed. New roots will begin to form. Once they have reached a length of about 1 to 2 inches, you can put the cutting into soil. I hope you found this video helpful in seeing how easy it is to propagate a rubber plant. Please hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.